Being able to do loops is a very important programming technique, and it's also very, very powerful. So what a loop will do is every time you do something, you can redo that same action, and you can effectively tell the program that do that same action as many times as you want it until a single condition is met. Now the first thing before you start doing loops is you need to understand what a variable means. Now for this example, I'm just going to insert a button, and I'm going to record a macro on it. So that I'm going to use this for my loop, and I'm going to go to the code. So it's currently got no code in because we just stopped it, so we're going to manually create a code. So what is a variable? Normally when I refer to a specific range, I would say range A1 is equal to 1. So obviously if I run this now, I can go back and range A1 will be 1. So that is referring to ranges. I could have said ABCD is equal to 1. Now I declare the variable. So how the system works is you've got memory. So when you declare a variable, then the system will effectively take a space in your memory and book it out to this variable. So now I've declared a variable called ABCD, so somewhere in the system, in the memory, it's now put the number 1 and called it ABCD. So it's sort of a slot that is created now. What's important now, this one, you can't see it anywhere. It's just saved in memory. It's not, I cannot go back into the spreadsheet and see that specific one anyway. I mean, I could call it 50. So it's nowhere. It's not. It's saved in the memory, so you can't see it. So no user can see it. But now, I can now say range A1 is equal to ABCD because I've declared it. So Excel now knows what this ABCD means. It's a variable. It's something new that I've declared, and I could name this anything I want. And now I do not have to put it into inverted commas because now Excel will recognize what ABCD means. So if I run this again, go back to A1, then this will be ABCD. So it's not naming the range, it's just taking the slot in the memory and then assigning it to the cell. So that is declaring a variable. It's very important that you understand what the variable means. So I could declare another variable called name1 is equal to the word text. So now the system will go, reserve another slot, call that slot name1, and it will put text into that slot. So if I'm going to go back and say range A1 is now equal to name1, and I run this again, let's go back there, now it's equal to text. So you declare something solid there. So this is very important, and you need to understand this before you can do any loops.